Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago with 4x5 reversal film, jewelry commercial. I have this image and also I made this pencil drawing type image pretty good by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. And this is my subject today, and let's make something interesting image from these two. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna check the blend mode changing. Let's see, look at this linear burn. Oh, it's good on gold, pretty nice, huh? And stones, rubies, maybe some other ones. Color burns pretty good too. For gold, soft light overlay, good for rubies. Not much on sapphire. Yeah, this is good. Overlay for stones and let's see. Luminosity, overall image, that's nice. Pastel color. Yeah, luminosity is pretty good, huh? Okay, make group, then duplicate this group. Then flatten image. Now this is for luminosity effect. And turn it off. Now change blend mode to overlay for stones. Then make group. This is a group, duplicate group, then flatten image. Now this is overlay. Okay, last one. Luminosity. This is a base image overlay and color burn. Turn it off, this one. Now we see color burn. Yeah, this is cool. Okay, duplicate this group, then flatten image. Alright. 3 different effect layers. Now I'm gonna break this group, rename. Alright, now move this out of group, then delete this group. Alright, now we got the 5 layers. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this luminosity effect layer, then one at the top, change blend mode to color burn. Linear burn, color burn, multiply. Maybe a linear burn, even though the pencil drawing type image is too dark, but color wise, linear burn is best. Much more colors, huh? Okay, let's see. March down with linear burn. Now we got this image. Then I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image over this luminosity effect layer, then change blend mode to divide. So we have the color, but a little bit soften down the dark image, pencil drawing type image. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this layer though. Duplicate, then one is just bring back to normal. Then turn it off to keep it. Now I'm going to merge down this pencil drawing type image, divide effect, so soften up the dark lines. Alright, now this is the base image, so I'm going to rename base. Alright, now I want stone colors from this overlay effect. There's a nice ruby color and gold color from this color burn effect. Not all the colors, some of it, because of this base image. It's gonna be some part. It's gonna be okay. Let's see. First of all, move this base image down bottom of these two effect. Then overlay effect, make mask. then invert mask. Now I'm gonna review this to show the stone's colors. Some part, huh? Okay, let's see. Change brush. Okay, airbrushing to maybe medium blend, bigger one first. Okay, to show this, just one now. Then this one, color burn. Same thing, shows, okay, make mask. Then same thing, invert mask. Now reveal maybe this road here. Well, not much. Okay, just for now. Okay, we see the gold from this color burn effect. Then the stones overlay effect. Just one stone right now. And let's see. Hopefully better than this original image. Okay, now let's see. Now make mask. Then now sketching to chalk. Well, let's try. How's this? Pretty nice. Happened to be turned into nice, kinda nice image, right? Now reveal these stones on here with white recent medium blend. Not everything, some part. The same thing on gold. Let's see, some part. Well, pretty interesting. Now I may, well, let's see, but this pencil drawing type image. Kinda interesting. Turn into black and white, huh? Monotone image. Okay, I'm gonna make mask. Then evolve. So much, huh? Well, I kinda like this. Okay, I'm gonna add layer over this. Then let's see, maybe bonobo chalk or medium blend or much softer color. Yeah, let's see, soft brush. Only two colors. Then I'm gonna make mask with medium blend. Okay, now check it out. Now I guess that's it. This is it. Alright. Well, this is original shot. I add luminosity effect layer as a base. Then I made mask. This one shows original to show this shadow area. Luminosity effect layer with mask. Then I add some gold colors. Dark image with mask. This is this. Not much. This gold image comes from here. Then I add stones color from overlay effect layer with mask. This is overlay effect, then made mask to get this stone colors. Then pencil drawing type image, change blend mode to color to get this black and white image. Made mask with this color. Some part is turning to black and white image. Then last thing, I add some very sad real saddle green and blue cyan type image. Well, that's it for today, and some kind of illustration of the jewelry shot. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support. I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Kind of illustration I kind of like these days. Well, thank you.